what it is, man. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what the fuck else can this guy have to say? Well, this is what I want to tell y'all. I want to show you true definition of lyricism. You see what I'm saying? Lyricism isn't just, you know, rhyming that word that you say. You can't be like, oh, I'm the shit, bop, 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 spit. Shit, that's so fucking whack and very mediocre, and people don't want to listen to that. You know what I'm saying? So, that hella whack. Shouts to Kizzle. But I'm gonna let you niggas listen. Alright? Me? Natural disaster, how I collapse in the rapture. After attacking you bastards, we bust out blasting in laughter. I'm a criminal, individual, venomous, chemical, living life by the genitals. I'm a shark, you a Seminole. Got the tool on my body, you be a fool if you try me. I keep the tool like I'm Bobby building you dudes a new body. My bitch is snooty and snobby, but perfect bodies embodied. I'm a dick, you vagina. You a sip, I'm Dasani. Spit A's in the faces of faggots fading my famous. I beat up case after case, weed on the crate for my patience. Mace the face of the Masons, eyes straight in the Asian and beat the bass at you basics. I'm a polo fanatic who put the foe to you faggots. Got the blow for the addicts, I sold the boat to the captain. I know my flow is not fathom, my Taurus, torso and Adam. Lay the man on the mat and these whores hurting to have him. Shit, man. Just cut, you can cut it out, Jude, man. Wait,